Here's a quick video of a Macintosh 512K. Seems to be operating great. I turned it on, opened up the calculator, opened up the date stuff. The disk in the computer seems to have a couple of bad sectors because it won't load the control panel. Just needs a new disk, I think. Pretty old disk. But the machine works great. Started right up. Put a new battery in it. The battery was 1998 was the date on it. So that's it. Not much to look at, but it does work. I can move things around the screen and seems to be working fine. Mouse is nice and clean, which is surprising. Not bumpy at all. Keyboard seems to work great. I type things in. Oh, missed. So it seems to work pretty good.